Hello everyone, how are you my dears? Good afternoon. Okay, today which subject we will start? We will start with English subject. We will start with English subject. Okay, which subject we will start? We will start with English subject. In which class you are? LKG. In which class you are? LKG. Okay. Today we will learn phonic sound of A. Phonic sound of A. Okay. In previous lecture we have learned sound of A, B, K, D. Okay. What in previous lecture we have learned sound of A, B, K, D. Okay, we have learned phonic sound of A, B, K, D. Okay, today we will learn sound of A. Today we will learn sound of A. E. What is this? E. This is a capital letter E. This is a capital letter E. Okay. E for egg. E for egg. Have you seen egg? E for egg. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for engine. E for engine. E for engine. E for engine. E for envelope. E for envelope. E for envelope. E for exit. E for exit. E for entry. E for entry. Okay, we have learned this word from E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for engine. E for envelope. E for exit. E for entry. Okay, now what is this? This is E and this is A. E, A. E, A. Egg. 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 Elephant. 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 Engine. 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 Envelope. Envelope. Exit. Exit. Entry. Entry. Okay. What is the sound of this? A. E. A. Repeat after me. E. A. E. A. E. A. E. A. Egg. You have to repeat after me. Egg. Egg. Elephant. 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 Engine. 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 Envelope. 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 Exit. 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 Exit means to go out. Exit means from where we go out. Entry. Entry means from where we enter. Okay, entry. From where we enter. Entry. Exit means out. Entry means in. Okay. Again, which sound is this? E, A. E, A. Egg. Elephant. A. Engine. A. Envelope. A. Exit. A. Entry. Okay. A. Egg. A. Egg. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Engine. A. Engine. Have you learned the rhyme? Engine number 9. Yes. A. Engine. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Exit. A. Exit. A. Entry. A. Entry. Okay. What we have learned? We have learned phonic sound of A. A. Egg. Just repeat after me. A. Egg. A. Egg. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Elephant. A. Engine. A. Engine. A. Envelope. A. Envelope. A. Exit. A. Exit. A. Entry. A. Entry. Okay, what we have learned? Today we have learned phonic sound. Phonic sound of E. A. E. A. Okay. Now we will do revision. What we will do? We will do revision of previous phonic sound we have done. Okay, we have in previous lecture we have done. In last lecture we have done phonic sound of, what is this? This is A. 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 Apple. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Apple. Arrow. Okay. Now this B. 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 Bus. Bell. Bus. Bell. Bus. Bell. Then ball. Yes. Bat. Ball. Bat. Okay. C. K. C. K. C. K. C. K. Cup. 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 Cane. Cane. Can. 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 Kick. 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 K. A. A. B. B. C. K. D. 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 Dot. Dot. D. Dot. Dog. Dog. Door. D. dog, dog, the dog, the dot. Okay. E, A, E, A, E, A. Egg, elephant, envelope, engine, exit. Okay. A, B, A, B, K, D, A. Okay. A, B, K, D, A. A, B, B, A, B, K, D, A. You repeat after me, okay? All of you repeat after me. A, B, A. Apple, A, apple. B, bus. C, cup. D, dog. A, egg. A, egg. Okay, we have learned the phonic sound of this. A, B, K, D, A. Okay, repeat after me. A, B, K, D, A. Okay, what we have learned? Phonic sound. Okay, you have to repeat and revise again and again at your home. A, B, B, sorry, B, 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 C, K, C, K, D, 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 E, A, E, A. Okay, these are the phonic sounds. Okay, now we will revise. What we will revise? We will revise sight word. What we will do? We will do revision of sight words. Okay. What we will do? Revision of sight words. Okay. We have learned is. What we have learned? Is. Is. O and on. O and on. O and on. On means on the book. The pen is on the book. Pen is on the book. Is means this is my pen. This is my pen. Okay. Then if. If. If I was a queen. If I was a queen. Is. O and on. O and on. Is. This is my pen. O and on. The pen is on my hand. If I was a queen. It. it. It was a fan. It was a pen. It was a blackboard. It was a board. Okay. Is. This is my pen. On. The pen is on my hand. If I were a queen. It. It was a pen. It is a pen. It is a duster. Okay. It is a paper. How many sight words we have learned? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is. On. If. It. Ho. Ho. If you see some surprise thing, what you say? Ha. If you see any surprise thing for you, what you say? Ha. Ha. Is. On. If. It. Ho. Is. This is my pen. On. The pen is on my hand. If I were a queen. It. It is a fan. Ho. I was so surprised. It was surprised. Okay. What we have learned? We have learned phonic sound of A. Phonic sound of A. What is this? This is A. Phonic sound of A. Egg, elephant. Okay. Then we have done revision of phonic sound. A, B, K, D, A. Okay. Let us revise some rhymes. Okay. Let us revise some rhymes. You have to repeat after me. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. You have to say with your action. You have to say all the rhymes with action. Okay. Once again we will repeat. You want to repeat once again? Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. One more rhymes is there now. Chubby chicks, do you remember? Chubby chicks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within. Okay, after that, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, once again. Chubby cheek, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth anything. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we have revised 3 rhymes, okay? And 2 more rhymes I have teach you. Apple and thank you. Okay, that rhyme also you have to repeat at home and revise, okay? Understand? Yes, you are so nice and good children. What we have learned today? We have learned sight word, phonic sound, and we have done revision of rhymes. Okay? Understand? Okay, then bye. Have a nice day and look after yourself. Be safe at your home. Don't go out of the home.